Okay, so next thing we're going to look at is I created a custom, um, I created a post type and then a custom field for the post type. And I've created a few different called the custom post type courses. And inside it we have the course test and then the description. But we also have the custom field um, right here. Now if we go over to our postman and we send to do a get request. So we see that we have our course name, and we also have our the content here, but we don't have the custom field here. So what we have to do is install this plugin, and I've already installed it. So search for ACF to REST API, and we're just going to go ahead and activate that. Okay, so now it's activated. Now we're going to go back and we're going to send the request again. And now when we scroll down, we see AFC name Bessie Blackwood. So that's showing up now. Very good.